Have you ever watched someone else's skincare routine and you thought to yourself, okay, let me buy everything she's using? Then you go and get all these products, but your skin starts getting irritated, like your skin concern become more worse. Well, if this is you, then you're in the right video because I'll be holding your hands and showing you how to create a skincare routine that is for your specific skin concern and skin type. So you can have that flawless glowing skin. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, then you want to keep watching this video. Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is part of my skincare for beginners series that I started on this channel, and this series is really for my girlies that are new or confused about skincare, like they do not understand skincare and don't know what to do. Well, this series will help you in your skincare journey, so I highly recommend you go check out the videos that I've posted because it will help you greatly in your skincare journey. I'm also going to leave a link somewhere so you can go check out these videos. Now to the video of today. But before we build any skincare routine, I want you guys to understand something. This is extremely important and a lot of girlies skip this part. That's why you see a lot of people, they mess up their routine and they don't even know what to use. So first things first, we have different products in the market. We have basic products, we have treatment products. You have to understand the difference between the basic products and treatment products for you to even be able to create an effective skincare routine. Because I've seen a lot of girlies, they mix this. Some of them have a lot of basic products and less treatment products and they are wondering why their skin is not getting better. While some girlies have a lot of treatment products and less basic products and they are wondering why their skin is getting worse. So this is why it's important for you to understand these basic things first. Your basic products are the foundation of your routine. These are the products that every single person that is doing skincare or have a skincare routine needs. And these products are your cleanser, your moisturizer, and your sunscreen. No matter the kind of skin you have, the skin type or the skin concern that you have, you need this product in your routine. Now to the treatment products. These kind of products are what target the skin concern that you have. So if you have acne, you should be looking out for products that contains ingredients like salicylic acid because this will help to go into your skin, unclog the pores and make your skin less congested. If you have dark spots, you should be looking out for ingredients that will help to fade that dark spot like vitamin C. While if you have a skin concern like dry skin, you should be looking out for products that are going to hydrate your skin like hyaluronic acid, glycerin. These are like the treatment that's going to help your dry skin. So basically the basic product helps to maintain your skin while the treatment product helps to improve your skin and your skin concern. Let's move on to how to build a skincare routine. The first step in building a skincare routine, ask yourself, what is the main skincare issue that I have that I want to fix? Is it dark spot? Is it skin dryness? Is it oiliness? Is it acne? What is that skin concern that is giving you headache that you really want to try to fix? Once you have that skin concern that you want to treat, put that down because that is what is going to help you moving forward. One advice I'm going to give you, focus on one skin issue at a time. Some people might have different skin issues. That's very normal. But I want you to pick the major skin issue that you are currently experiencing. Step 2 is where you're going to build your basic routine. This is where you get to pick your cleanser, your moisturizer, and your sunscreen. You're not just going to pick any random product you see on the shelf. You're going to pick this product based on your skin type. So if you have oily or combination skin, pick cleanser that says things like foaming cleanser, gel-like cleanser, or oil control cleanser. Look at the packaging. What do they say? Foaming cleanser, add to cart. These kind of cleansers will help you because foaming cleansers are what is really good for oily skin, combination skin because they go deep into your skin properly to cleanse your skin. Oily combination skin, again, if you're looking for moisturizer, look out for moisturizer that says gel texture, gel moisturizer that has words like lightweight. That is what you should be looking out for because this kind of moisturizers will moisturize your skin without giving your skin that heavy, greasy kind of feel on your skin. While for oily skin, look out for sunscreens that are lightweight, matte kind of sunscreen, because this will help to leave your skin matte and not have that extra shine on your skin. If you have oily skin or combination skin and you're searching for a good moisturizer, I'm gonna leave a link right here so you can go check out a video that I made of my top 3 best moisturizers that are really great for the skin. Moving on to dry skin, look out for cleansers that says hydrating, cream, or gentle cleanser. These kind of cleansers are what dry skin really needs, because it will help to hydrate the skin and not make your skin extra dry. While for moisturizers for dry skin, look out for moisturizers that says rich cream, hydrating cream, deep hydration, intense hydration. These are the kind of moisturizers that you need, because they are going to deeply hydrate and nourish your skin. For dry skin, look out for sunscreens that are moisturizing, because this is going to moisturize your skin extra, and of course sunscreens that do not leave a white cast. Now once you are done with that, once you have picked all of your products, move on to step 3. Now for step 3, this is where you get to pick your treatment product, and you are picking one. We are starting with one. Don't be tempted to have 5, 10 treatment products. This is where a lot of people get it wrong, and we're not going to make that mistake right now. Pick one treatment product. Now if you have acne, pick a product, maybe a serum that has like salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide. Pick one so that it will help you with your acne. Then if you have dark spots, if you have hyperpigmentation, look out for something that is going to help to brighten your skin, like vitamin C, niacinamide, tranexamic acid, kojic acid. These are what is going to help to brighten your skin and fade those dark marks on your skin. Then if you have dry or damaged skin, look out for hydrating products. So you can see the category for the treatment product. So pick one out of this category, depends on what your skin concern is. Now to step 4, which is the next part. This is where you have to decide and tell yourself about consistency, because you have to be consistent. You are not going to use a product today and wake up with a perfect skin. Treating acne takes time. Fading dark spots and hyperpigmentation takes time. Treating dry skin takes time. So you need to be consistent. I'm adding this to the step because this is what a lot of people struggle with, and they end up just not creating a skincare routine for themselves. So you have to be consistent. So once you have all of these steps in place, clearly you are already set up for success. At the end of the day, it's pretty easy to actually create a skincare routine. It's pretty easy, I bet you, because once you understand what your skin needs, that's it. You're set up for success. It no longer becomes a guessing game, but rather it becomes you being sure of what your skin needs, and you're giving your skin what it needs. Since you've already created your skincare routine and you've done all of the hard work, let's just picture how your daily routine is going to look like. How you're going to use this product is in the morning, you would cleanse your skin, of course. Then you would choose any of your treatment products, depending on the kind of treatment product that you're using. Some treatment products are best to be used at night, while some are best to be used during the day. So if your treatment product is like niacinamide or vitamin C, it's really great. You can use them during the day. But if your treatment products are like tranexamic acid, salicylic acid, kojic acid, retinol, tretinoin, hydroquinone, things like these are great if you use them at night. Have this at the back of your mind. It will really help you. Then after using your treatment products, you go in with your moisturizer, and next you go in with your sunscreen because it's during the day. While at night, your routine is going to be like this. You cleanse your skin, of course, and use your treatment product like I explained. If it's your night treatment product, you use it during this time, and you go in with your moisturizer, and you do not use your sunscreen at night, right? Because there's no sun. That's pretty much how your skincare routine is going to be for the first few weeks before you maybe incorporate other products into your routine. Or as a beginner for now, this is how your skincare routine should look like. And I also want you to remember that you don't have to use your treatment product every single day. You need to space them out. You can use them 2-3 times in a week. space them out so that way your skin has enough time to breathe. If you use a treatment product every single day, it could overwhelm your skin and worsen the skin concern that you have, and you do not want that. Now let's move on to the next question. Why must your routine match your skin concern? I've had a lot of girlies ask this question. Your skincare routine should match your skin concern because this is going to help you to pick the kind of product that you should be using in your routine. Just like I explained earlier, if you have acne, you should be reaching out for salicylic acid kind of products because these are what is going to help to treat your acne. But if your skincare routine does not match your skin concern, if you have acne, for example, you could be reaching out for hydrating products that are going to help someone that has dry skin, but you are reaching out for those kind of products and they will not do anything for your acne. And in the end, you'll be wondering, why is my acne not getting better? It's because you're not using the right products to help treat your acne, and your skincare routine does not match your skincare concern. You need your skincare routine to match your skin concern for you to be able to treat that skin concern that you have. Skincare is not one size fits all. That's why every girly out there would most likely have different skincare routine because we have different skincare concerns. My skincare concern might be excessive oil, but yours might be excessive dryness. That automatically changes the kind of product that me and you should be using. So that's it, girlies. The main thing that I want you to take from this video is your skincare routine is built around your skin concern and your skin type. It is not built around someone else's product or how someone else's skincare routine is aesthetically pleasing. No, that's not what your skincare routine should be built around. Don't just copy what is trending. Don't copy another person's routine. Do not copy my routine, except we have the same skin concern. Don't just buy what is trending, but buy what you need and have a routine that is for you and not for someone else. Keep your routine simple, stay consistent, and give your skin time. I know you girlies would love me to create like specific skincare routine videos, so I'm also going to create that, and we're going to start with skincare routine for oily acne prone skin. I'm going to make a video on that and show you guys like practically how to use this product, what product, and all of that good stuff. Like I mentioned, this video is part of my skincare for beginners series, and I highly recommend you girlies go check out the other videos that I have posted. They are really beginner friendly. Like I'm literally holding your hand and walking you through the skincare journey because I figured out a lot of people are actually struggling with skincare, like understanding skincare and everything, and that's what prompted me to actually start this skincare for beginners series. And I bet you girlies, you would love these videos. The next video in this skincare for beginners series, I'm going to show you girlies how to layer your skincare products because a lot of you guys are layering your skincare products the wrong way, and that is what is actually damaging your skin. Let me know in the comment section if there's any topic you would want me to cover in this skincare for beginners series, something that has been maybe giving you headache or you're trying to understand that particular topic when it comes to skincare. Let me know, and I am more than happy to actually come in here and create this video for you guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you understand how to create a skincare routine, and also share this video with all of your girlies out there. Share it with them so they can learn and see how easy it is to actually create a skincare routine. I have a lot of other videos that I'm sure you're definitely going to enjoy, like this one on here. So I'll see you girlies in this video. Don't go away.